Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Croque Monsieur, a classic French sandwich. In this video, we continue with the steps that make this sandwich unforgettable, from layering ingredients to achieving that golden finish. You have a couple of excellent options to achieve that perfect golden finish. Pan grilling. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place the sandwiches in the hot pan. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbling. Press down gently with a spatula to ensure even contact and crispness. Baking/broiling. For an even melt and a beautifully brown top, you can finish your croque monsieur in the oven. After pan grilling for a few minutes on each side to get some color, transfer the sandwiches to a baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese on top is bubbly and golden. If you want extra browning, you can briefly switch to broil for 1 to 2 minutes, but watch it closely. The goal is a perfectly melted interior and a wonderfully crispy exterior with that irresistible golden brown crust. Serving suggestions and pairings. A croque monsieur is satisfying on its own, but it truly shines when paired thoughtfully. In French bistros, you will often find it served alongside a few select items that balance its richness. Common serving practices include side salad. A small, simple green salad with a light vinaigrette is the most classic accompaniment. The acidity of the dressing cuts through the richness of the sandwich. Frites, French fries. For a more substantial meal, golden, crispy frites are a popular choice. The contrasting textures of the crunchy fries and creamy sandwich are delightful. Cornichon. Small, tangy pickled cucumbers, known as cornichon, offer a burst of sharp flavor. They are perfect for cleansing the palate between bites. When it comes to beverages, certain choices complement the croque monsieur very well. Wine pairings. For wine lovers, a dry white wine is often recommended. Think of options like a crisp Sancerre or a Sauvignon Blanc. Their bright acidity provides a nice counterpoint to the creamy cheese and bechamel. Beer pairings. If you prefer beer, consider a Belgian blonde ale or a crisp lager. Their clean, refreshing profiles can help balance the rich flavors of the sandwich without overpowering it. Beyond the original, popular variations and creative twists. While the classic croque monsieur is a masterpiece on its own, its popularity has led to many delicious variations. Chefs and home cooks alike have found ways to put their own spin on this iconic sandwich. Let's explore some of the most popular and creative interpretations that take the monsieur to new heights. The croque madame, an elegant evolution. Have you ever wondered what could make a croque monsieur even richer? The answer often comes in the form of a fried egg. The croque madame is essentially a croque monsieur with a beautifully fried or poached egg placed right on top. This addition gives the sandwich an extra layer of richness and a runny yolk that coats the entire dish when broken. The madame in its name is thought to come from the egg resembling a woman's hat. This variation first appeared in French cafes not long after the original monsieur. It quickly became a favorite, especially for breakfast or brunch. The runny egg yolk mixes with the bechamel and cheese, creating an even more indulgent experience. It feels more substantial and luxurious, making it a perfect weekend treat. Modern interpretations and gourmet additions. Beyond the famed madame, the croque monsieur has inspired countless other creative twists around the world. Chefs love to experiment with the classic formula, introducing new ingredients and flavors. These modern interpretations show how versatile the basic concept can be. Here are some ways chefs and home cooks get creative. Different cheeses. While Gruyere is traditional, you might find versions using sharp cheddar, creamy goat cheese, or even pungent blue cheese for a bolder flavor. Gourmet meats. Instead of standard ham, some variations feature prosciutto, smoked turkey, or even duck confit. These premium meats add a unique depth of flavor. Vegetable additions: roasted mushrooms, caramelized onions, or sautéed spinach can be tucked inside the sandwich. These additions provide extra texture and often a hint of sweetness or earthiness. Spicy kicks: a touch of Dijon mustard inside or a sprinkle of paprika on top can add a subtle kick. Some modern versions even include jalapenos for more heat. These creative twists prove that the Croque Monsieur is more than just a recipe, it is a foundation for culinary imagination. Each variation offers a new way to enjoy this beloved French classic. The Croque Monsieur stands as a testament to simple ingredients coming together for an extraordinary result. It is more than just a sandwich, it embodies French culinary tradition and offers universal comfort. Whether you recreate this classic at home, experimenting with your own preferred cheeses or hams, or seek it out in a Parisian bistro, its inviting warmth and rich flavors are undeniable. Discover for yourself the delicious simplicity that has made the Croque Monsieur a lasting favorite for over a century. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.